God. God created universe, and God has given different living and non-living beings, and in living beings there are different living beings, and humans are considered unique. But do you know the diversity in humanity? Thus God has given the religion for each and every diverse humanity as per human beliefs. But I don't know whether those are true or fake or false religions. But the religion which today I have been presenting you in this video is the real religion that God has told me directly. So there is no doubt regarding the authenticity of this religion. This religion is the religion of asexuals. This religion is the religion for asexuals. This is the religion bisexual. Thus God's religion is this religion. I hope all have understood, and we will be discussing about this religion in the upcoming videos. I request everyone who wants to know about this religion to subscribe and like the videos and share the videos to fellow SHFs. I once again declare that no heterosexual, no lesbian, gay, transgender, bisexual, queers, and other sexual orientation and other gender identities have the right to watch or to know about this religion. Only those people who are asexual must have to know about this. So the people who are asexuals, they only share, subscribe, like, and follow this. They can hear, they can do whatever they want. They can follow this in their practical life. But heterosexuals and LGBTQ have their own religions, and so they need not have to follow. But in case of LGBTQ, if they ask about them, I am not saying that they must follow this religion, but yes, they can, even though their names have been not been given, especially because they won't come under this religion. But yes, they are also all created by humans, and so I do not by God, and so it is not at all a big mistake. So whatever it may be, we will be discussing in the further videos on this religion. Thank you for watching.